All right. What's that? Number 5 we're doing? You put the face of gauge.
Huh?
I want to see what the gauge is. Okay. All right. 4 strokes. Let's see. Oh, nothing.
Nothing?
0, dude. You want to try your gauge just to double test, but it's not pumping at all.
Yeah. It feels like it too.
Yeah, no, it felt like it. I didn't feel any, pump.
I didn't feel.
That's I didn't feel it in the cranking either. So, yeah, looking like a motor here, girls.
You got an O-ring?
We're just gonna it's not would be the first time I've had a bad gauge, but we use this gauge over here on this cylinder. It read 100 psi, so we're just gonna double check. But if we got nothing over here, we don't need to go any further with the testing. So again, this thing just shut down while cruising down the freeway, got towed in, scanned it, had no check engine lights on it, fuel pressure was up to spec, cranked it with the scanner, picked up a crank signal, RPM, so it had a tach signal, picked up injector pulse, checked for spark was there, and that leads you to checking mechanicals. And first cylinder had 100 psi, which sucks, but it would run. And this cylinder had 0. So we are just going to try a second tester, confirm that 0. That's too bad, because you take care of these 6.8 liter V10s on these things, man. You get 300,000 miles out of these things without it, and they don't leak either. You freaking never see these things leaking oil. These plugs are a bear to get to, dude. These are the easy ones we're getting to. Ready?
Yeah.
Nothing. Done. All right.
Man.
Well, I fix them. You break them. It's Monday. Somebody's Monday is worse than yours, so you should feel a little bit better now than you did when you got to work.
These things, I bet.
Oh,
12
this
grand.
one's gonna sting. They're gonna junk it. We should buy it, put a motor in it, do a 4-wheel drive conversion, and turn it into one of those overlanders and sell it for 100K.
You gotta get Chet to finance it.
I'll finance it. I'll find a way.
Okay.
You're
You're looking at a poor white boy.
Yeah, me too, but I'll find a way to make that happen.